That's exactly what I want, is what's best for my girls.
A new development in a fierce custody battle amid one of Southwest Florida's most infamous murder cases. The Department of Children and Families trying to find a permanent home for the daughters of Dr. Teresa Sievers. Her husband, Mark Sievers, is now behind bars, charged with first-degree murder in her death. 4 in Your Corner's Malcolm Johnson was front and center at today's hearing, and he joins us with more on where things go from here. Malcolm?
It was made very clear in court today that both the mother of Mark Sievers and Teresa Sievers both want custody of the former couple's daughters. Judge Robert Branning did not make a determination as to where the two daughters would go long term, but it was Mark Sievers who got very emotional the second he began discussing what's best for his two daughters going forward.
Anything less than what is absolutely the best for those girls.
That's exactly what I want, is what's best for my girls.
And barring your current inability to be with them, do you believe what's best for them is your mother?
Yes, sir, I do.
Mark Sievers argued that his mother, Bonnie, should have custody of his two daughters. After raising her right hand, she testified her relationship with them is one reason the girls should live with her.
They feel comfortable enough to joke with me. Yet they feel comfortable enough to talk with me if they're upset about something.
Mark and his mother are concerned Teresa's mother and current custodian of the girls, Mary Ann Graves, is blocking some of Mark's phone communication with his daughters from jail.
She does answer her phone. It's just that sometimes it might take 10 times to get through, and she'll tell the girls while I'm on the phone with them, oh, well, I didn't want to answer it right now.
Sievers' attorney tells me it's Mark's constitutional right to have the final say regarding custody of his daughters.
We have the Constitution for a reason, and that is to protect individuals from the government. And why shouldn't he have the final say as to where he wants his own children?
But the Department of Children and Families wants the girls to stay with Teresa's mother, and they want to listen to 7 15-minute conversations Mark had with the girls while incarcerated to help make their argument.
We will adjourn, play all 7, and I will allow counsel to confer, get with my office, and we will reschedule this for another 4 hours.
So now, both parties will go back and listen to conversations between Mark and his two daughters. 7 tapes, 15 minutes each. Judge Branning did not set a date for when court would be rescheduled. Reporting outside the Lee County Courthouse, I'm Malcolm Johnson, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you so much, Malcolm. And again, Mark Sievers is one of just 3 men charged in Dr. Sievers' murder. He is accused of hiring these 2 men, Jimmy Rogers and Curtis Wright, his childhood best friend, to kill his own wife for her life insurance money. Rogers is also in jail on a first-degree murder charge, while Wright is now serving a 25-year prison sentence for his connection to the case after he pleaded guilty to second-degree murder.